So we are just leaving Water Rock Knob Overlook on the Blue Ridge Parkway. So we're away for a 3-day trip. There's me, Jerry, Eric, Ed, Paul, and today we've got the delights of the Blue Ridge Parkway. It's a weekday, Thursday morning, and it's just stunning. Gotta be happy. Got to be happy. Look at this sunshine and the views. 65 degrees, lovely July morning, just perfection. And these roads of course lead pretty much from Bryson City in North Carolina all the way up to Skyline Drive in Virginia, some circa 500 miles of what some people call is the best road in the world. And boy, it certainly has some of the best views in the world. Around every bend there is a kind of 70-mile view. It's just stunning. Gotta love it. Taking it easy today. This is a touring break. It's not a quick thrash or anything, so we're watching our speeds and lean angles and all that jazz. But it's still really pleasant just rolling on and off the throttle. Some gentle third and fourth gear bends. These curves just seem to go on for days. In fact, the whole of the parkway basically is 500 miles of these beautiful arcing curves. Very little to no traffic. The only thing you have for company is the odd biker going the opposite direction, and wildlife. You kind of watch out for bears and stuff crossing the road. I hit a hawk yesterday, unfortunately, just flew straight down to my front wheel, just bounced off the front wheel. Had enough of bird strikes this year after hitting the wild turkey, causing a couple of grand's worth of damage to the front of the bike. Could do without those kind of incidences. Look at these curves, they just go on forever, don't they? Amazing. If you ever get a chance to take a vacation, ride up here and ride on these roads, I would strongly urge you to. There's loads of beautiful butterflies around here. They're kind of like a kind of black admiral or something. They're really big, very pretty. If you're not that experienced, you're still learning your craft on the bike, you have to watch some of these curves, they will suck you in. If you're not familiar with the vanishing technique, search for my video on that. It will really help your roads like this. So I've ridden different parts of the Blue Ridge Parkway before, but this particular area and section is all new to me. And it's absolutely beautiful. We've already been through 3 or 4 tunnels, which are really nice. We had a late night last night, and we were talking a lot over dinner, lots of lively banter. And I'm afraid my voice is a bit hoarse today, so apologies for that. This is beautiful. This reminds me a lot of my home country, England, where the trees are growing over and across the road, casting their shadows in the sunlight. Just beautiful, especially with this lush green grass. It is a very pretty, pleasant state, North Carolina. It's just beautiful here. Check out the map on Waze. Oh yeah, lovely. Top mountain, nice little pull off there. So we've seen plenty of wildlife so far on this trip. We started off by nearly hitting a turtle in the road. We all managed to avoid that. And then there was a little black kitten in the road, 6 months old, and we slowed down and stopped, but it ran off into the bushes, miles from anywhere. Poor little thing. Hopefully it will survive. And then had a hawk fly down and bash into my front wheel. So it's been quite animal-tastic. So we're going to have a little stop and stretch at Courthouse Valley shortly. Check out the views there. Check that out. Very beautiful. Kind of like the Rockies, really. Reinhardt Gap, elevation 5435 feet. Pretty lovely everywhere here, to be honest with you. Pretty nice. I think it's wonderful in this country that there's so much protected forestry. It really is stunning to enjoy natural beauty in all its glory. It's kind of funny, there was a sign there saying dangerous curve and a U-shape, but actually the curve itself is very tame compared with the hundreds we've just done on the same road. Haywood Gap, elevation 5225. Oh yeah. Check out the beauty. Wolf Mountain Overlook. Planning a route, that looks a good place to stop for an incredible view. We'll be stopping just a mile further up the road here at the Courthouse Valley.
think it's Tossaway Falls. You know,
Crazy. Do you see the pine where it hit?
yeah, I'm
Okay.
right there's in my lights, and it just was a brightness over here, and then I saw all this stuff.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate all your feedback and support for the Ride On channel. I hope you're already a Ride On subscriber, but if not, please subscribe straight away. And last but not least, ride often, ride carefully, ride on.